Want to shine in affiliate marketing? Try these bright ideas. Using many partnerships when you begin affiliate marketing, and make sure they are of the highest quality. Although the parent company does not directly give you advice or assistance, you need to learn how to talk to their audience, and you will all greatly benefit from your hard work. Hard work only gets you halfway to your goal. The following video provides you with some tips that can help you maximize the profitability of your affiliate marketing endeavor. Certain affiliate marketing programs pay off when website visitors go to an advertiser's site and take action. Typically registering or providing contact information, these pay-for-sign-up programs pay better than pay-per-click setups, although of course the webmaster will not see as many payments as he or she would with pay-per-click. Nevertheless, the higher pay makes these programs attractive to many website owners. In affiliate marketing, you need to express to your readers that they can trust you. Do not post ads that you do not believe in or have any interest in, they will know. If you appear to be a phony condoning something you don't believe in, that will drive away your readers and they won't trust anything you have to say. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. The goal is not to steal away customers or drive them to your company, but to know the audience of the business and find ways to locate or appeal to their needs. These tips reveal some of the ways that affiliate marketing successes reach their potential. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.